question paper, particularly question number 9. Look at the figure 3. This is tan x curve, and it's the tan x range is they have given in the interval of minus pi to pi. Okay, state the period of the tan x. Question number A. Tan x period is what is called pi, 180 degree. Okay, then they have given one equation of the L with the equation y equal to pi x. Okay, there is no pi x plus c, so there is no y-intercept, it is passing through the origin. Okay, now they are asking tan x is equal to pi plus 2 x in the interval of minus pi to pi. Okay, pi x or pi plus 2x, same, the equation of the line is similar like L only, because both are passing through the origin and both will have the same intersection, same type of the intersection with the curve. Now pi plus 2x will meet at the y equal to tan x curve at 3 points like L. You see it, L is equal to pi x intersect at 3 places, that is third quadrant and origin and the first quadrant. Sorry. This is one intersection, this is second intersection, this is a third intersection. This is pi x, L is equal to pi x. If pi plus 2x is also same case, so it will intersect at 3 places minus pi to pi. This, okay, next question BI is 3 places. Question BII minus 2 pi. Now the interval they have given minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. First you should know how to draw the curve minus 2 pi to pi. This is the, I have drawn symmetry line, asymptote line I have drawn, 90 degree, 270 degree asymptote is there, minus 90, minus 270 asymptote is there. Okay, how to draw the curve? Always put the asymptote 90, 270 for the tan x curve and minus 90, minus 270 like this. Minus 90 you start asymptote, just start inflection at 0 and do it. And here the same, you repeat it. This is pi, right? And then repeat it, stop at 2 pi because they have told only at 2 pi. Then again minus 270, the same you do it. This is minus pi. Then actually we have to start from minus 450, that is minus 5 by 2, and it will come like this. It will come like this, but we need to draw only this much from minus 2 pi only. Okay, now minus 2 pi, where the curve, this line, three places, 1, 2, 3. Then if you extend the line, it will intersect here, 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 4. Then if you extend here, it is 4, it is 5. So until minus 2 by 2 pi, it will intersect at 5 places, right? Now if you further extend, if you further extend, what will happen? For 0 to minus 2 pi, it is intersecting at 2 places. So 0 to minus 4 by minus 6 pi, how many numbers is there? For 2 pi, it is intersecting at 2 places. Okay, 0 to minus 2 pi. So 0 to minus 100 by it will intersect at 100 places. 0 to plus 100 by, it will intersect another 100 places. So 200 places, and the origin 1. So BII 201. Got it? You have to know how to draw the tan x curve and what is pi x, pi plus 2x, what it is. You just, for one cycle, one period, how much time it is intersecting, you accordingly multiply. Okay, you keep on doing. For 2 pi, for example, for 0 to 2 pi, excluding the origin, it is intersecting at 2 places. So for 2 pi, 2 places means 100 by 100 places. Okay, actually this is 1, here 100 places it will intersect, here 100 places it will intersect, so 201 places. Got it? Thank you for watching my video. Keep on watching, learn very well.